Ace your lecture comprehension. Identify purpose and main ideas. Hello language learners, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to focus on an essential strategy for mastering English comprehension, identifying the purpose and main ideas when listening to academic lectures and presentations. This skill is vital as it can help you decipher the critical points and follow the logical structure of any academic discourse. Let's get started. When we talk about the purpose, it's the fundamental reason why the lecture or presentation is given. To understand the purpose, listen to the introduction carefully. Look for keywords or phrases that might indicate what the presenter aims to accomplish. These could be verbs like explore, explain, discuss, review, etc. Also, pay attention to any hypotheses, questions, or problem statements that the presenter might introduce. These often provide clues to the purpose. Moving on to the main ideas. These are the essential points that support and contribute to achieving the lecture's purpose. The presenter usually introduces these in the first part of the lecture and elaborates on them throughout the talk. To identify the main ideas, note any new topics introduced or when the speaker shifts from one point to another. Often, this is signaled by phrases like, moving on to, another point is, also, etc. Also, listen for repetition or emphasis on certain points. These often indicate important ideas. After identifying the purpose and main ideas, the next step is to interpret this information. This means understanding the relationship between the main ideas and how they contribute to the overall purpose. To do this, try to summarize the main points in your own words. Also, try to draw connections between different points and think about what they mean in the context of the lecture's purpose. This will not only deepen your understanding but also improve your recall and note-taking skills. That wraps up our discussion on identifying the purpose and main ideas in academic lectures and presentations. Remember, mastering these strategies takes practice, so keep at it. Consistency is key. With these skills, you'll become a pro at navigating academic discourse in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope that these strategies will boost your English comprehension skills. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Happy learning!